In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Uber Driver app on your Android device using a simple and easy to follow approach. Whether you're new to the Uber platform or just switching devices, it's important to have this app installed correctly to ensure you can start driving and earning efficiently. So, let's get right into it. The Uber Driver app is essential for any driver working with Uber, as it allows you to receive ride requests, navigate to your destinations, and manage your earnings, all from your smartphone. We'll begin by heading over to the Google Play Store. So, find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer and give it a tap to open. Once you're in the Play Store, you'll notice a search bar at the top of the screen. It's the space where you can type in the names of apps you're looking to download, and that's precisely what we're going to do next. Simply tap on the search bar to bring up your keyboard and get ready to type. The next step is straightforward. Type in Uber Driver. It's important to make sure you're downloading the correct app, as there are different Uber apps available. The Uber Driver app is specifically designed for drivers, so ensure you're installing the right one to avoid any confusion down the road. Once you've typed Uber Driver into the search field, go ahead and hit the search icon, usually represented by a magnifying glass. At this point, you should see a list of search results with the Uber Driver app appearing near the top. The icon typically looks like a square with the word Uber boldly displayed. Now, it's time to install the app. Tap on the Uber Driver app from the search results to open its download page. You'll see detailed information about the app, user reviews, and screenshots to give you an idea of its functionality. Here, you'll also find the Install button, which is usually a bright color like green. Tapping on this button will begin the download and installation process. While you wait for the app to install, ensure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network to speed up the download and prevent any data charges. The duration of the download depends on your internet speed, so be patient as it completes installing. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an Open button, allowing you to dive right into the app and start setting up your preferences and account details. And there you have it. The Uber Driver app is now installed on your Android device, ready to help you navigate your rides and manage your driving business with ease. Thank you for following this tutorial, and I hope it has helped you get the Uber Driver app installed smoothly. Remember, having this app readily available will significantly enhance your driving experience, allowing you to focus on what matters most, your passengers and your journey. If you found this guide helpful, stay tuned for more informative videos. Happy driving!